Here's how you can quickly resize any video into a vertical format using Flixier. This is perfect for turning your YouTube videos into shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. First, go to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. You have several ways to upload your video. You can upload it directly from your device, use a QR code to bring it over from your mobile phone, or paste a link to import videos that are already online. Once your video is uploaded, you can drag it from the library down to the timeline. By default, Flixier is set up for landscape videos. To change that to a vertical layout, click this little button in the top left corner of the canvas that says 16 by 9 and choose 9 by 16. You'll notice that your video will now have black bars on the top and bottom. If you want the video to fill the whole screen, you can select it and then click the Fill Canvas button on the right side of the screen. This will zoom in on your video to fill the whole vertical screen space. You can also adjust the zoom level manually to fit more of your video onto the screen. You will end up with some smaller black bars, but most social media apps will cover those up with the interface anyway. Speaking of which, if you're trying to resize your video for social media, there's another thing you can do here that will make framing your final video much easier. Click on the blank space next to the canvas and under Show Save Zones, choose the relevant ones for the social media platforms you want to post to. These overlays basically show you the areas that the app's interface is going to cover up when you publish your video. You can keep them toggled on during editing to make sure that nothing important ends up under the video description or the like button where people can't see it. However, no matter how good you are at framing, converting landscape videos to vertical platforms isn't easy, so you might still need to make some cuts. This is because the narrower field of view in the vertical video only allows you to see the center of the original video, so the action or the subject of your original clip might end up out of frame. To fix this, you need to go down to the timeline and make cuts whenever the focus changes. For instance, if you're editing a podcast that has two speakers, you need to cut each time the focus shifts from one speaker to the other. Hit the S key on your keyboard to split the video at the desired point and then adjust the frame on the canvas by dragging left or right to ensure your subject remains in view. For smoother transitions between cuts, consider using keyframes to animate the movements more smoothly. Keyframes are very powerful, but they're a little too advanced to fit in this video, so if you want to dive deeper into using keyframes to create your own transitions and effects, check out the card above or the link in the description for a full detailed tutorial focusing on them. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to turn your landscape videos into a vertical format that's more suited for social media platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Until next time, happy editing!